Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create your own community on Skool, so let's get right into it. Now, once you create your account on Skool, you'll most likely be taken to the Discover page of Skool. Here, you can click Create Your Own to create your own community, or if you're on another page, you can click on this icon right here to switch communities, and click Create a Community. Once you're here, you need to enter the group name, and also create a card number, and this does require a subscription. It is free for 14 days, then it is $99 per month, so keep that in mind. It does require a fee, but once you do that, your community will be created. Once you do, you can go over to your community page and you can modify the settings. Now, as you can see, you could upload your cover photo, which you should do, and you can also invite people to it, add the description, which I also do recommend if you want your group to grow. Now, you can also write your posts over here in the community page. You can go into Classroom and add new courses here. You can set up a calendar for events. You can manage your members, and you can also go to leaderboards to see any relevant information about your community. If your community has been gamified, you can also go to settings and change the settings of your community. You can set up a pricing model. If you want your community to be a subscription-based service, you can enable Stripe and connect it to Skool, and then you'll be able to set up a pricing model for your community. You can also give a 7-day free trial if you want your users to be able to test it out, and if they like it, then they'll be able to subscribe to it. And that is basically all there is to it. There's really nothing else to mention. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.